Good morning. Time for a check of markets, and we turn to Dennis Smith of Archer Financial Services. Good morning, Dennis.
Hey, good morning, Matt.
Give us an update on markets this morning.
You bet. We're looking a little bit higher across the board, led by soybeans. We have the March corn up 2 1/4 at 385 1/4, about a penny off the overnight session high. May soybeans are correction. Let's go with March beans. March beans up 3 1/2. They're at 987 1/4. They're off their highs, 993 high. So they've had a pretty good run in the overnight market. And we're looking at the March wheat contract as we're using May wheat now. It's up 3/4 of a cent, 520 1/2, about 2.5 cents off the overnight high.
Well, if these soybean gains can hold through the day, this will be a third day in a row for pretty impressive gains in soybeans. What's happening there?
Not sure, Mick. It's a quiet type market. We've been choppy. There's no news. There really is not. Just a very quiet market now without news. These price levels have reached up into some levels we've been waiting for to initiate some new short positions, whether they're hedges or a spec play or locking in some prices. We really don't expect major upside follow-through.
All right. Over on the livestock side, cattle futures, another strong day today. Yesterday, what do you think is going to happen today?
Well, it was a wild day yesterday. Big swings in the market continue. We actually, at one point, were sharply lower yesterday, went sharply higher, and then closed higher, although off the session highs. We're still waiting, believe it or not, on the cash steer market trade for this week. Probably going to be fully steady. I'm guessing that'll hold the market, keep everything intact. So I'd say a steady, maybe slightly higher trade today.
All right. For the grains, what's the next market mover news we get?
Let me see, Mick. We have a supply-demand report out in the middle of March, and then the major number is your prospective plannings report, which comes out the last day of March.
And, of course, until then, you expect kind of sideways choppy trade, huh?
That's what we expect, and then you always have to expect the unexpected, and I don't know what that's going to be.
Well, that's why we keep you close at hand, Dennis. So thank you very much for your insight. Have a great weekend.
Thank you.
All right, it's 4:54. Coming up next, check at the forecast, and we'll give you a preview of what's coming up next on the Valley Today.